Actually, one thing I was very confused with dealing with the camera animation and the character. So when we have a chasing sequence, suppose the camera is tracking the character's movement and the character is running, suppose. So in that case, what is the first thing we finalize? The camera animation or the character animation?
Camera. So you get the camera given to you already animated, and so sometimes you can tweak it if you need to. But when you get a shot, when you get given a shot, you get the characters. Generally, they're in this static in the scene, and then you get the camera moving, and then you just have to animate the character with the camera, because the camera has been already done with layout to go through the whole film, right? Because there's all the other shots to consider, so you can't really do that as you go, because nothing would hook up correctly. So that's all already done for you. So the animation comes second, and you just have to match the camera. And then also there's like a final pass where they make it perfect. And sometimes you can change it if you have to. But yeah, that's a good point. Sometimes when I've struggled a whole lot, it's because I wasn't touching the camera. And as soon as I got permission to touch the camera, I stopped struggling because I could make it work. Yeah, so that's something you should be vocal about as well.